Hi, my name is Ed, and I live in San Dimas, California. We had tile for years ever since we moved in, and our steps leading up to the second floor had carpeting, which would get really dirty and it'd be hard to clean at times. We wanted to go with all wood flooring throughout the entire house so it could match. We got in touch with Novell Remodeling based on a recommendation. They came out here, they did an estimate, they walked around the house and let us know what they would do, exactly how they would do it. So we decided to go with them. I have to say that after the work was done, we were really glad that we went with Novell. Customer service was great, everyone was easy to talk to. The workers were great, they were very fast, they knew exactly what they were doing. Overall, I'm just really happy with how everything looks. I definitely recommend Novell Remodeling for anyone looking to do any type of work around the house.